10 ways to get rid of pimples or acne naturally. Acne is a common skin condition that occurs when there is an overgrowth of bacteria in the oil glands of the skin. It can cause pimples, redness, and swelling, and in severe cases, it can lead to scarring. Acne is most common in teenagers, but it can also affect adults. There are many different types of acne, including whiteheads, blackheads, papules, pustules, nodules, and cysts. Acne can be treated with a variety of over-the-counter or prescription medications. However, there are also a number of natural ways to get rid of acne. In this video, we will discuss 10 ways to get rid of pimples or acne naturally. Stay tuned until the end to find out how you can get rid of pimples or acne permanently. 1. Honey. Honey is a natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory agent. Applying honey to the face can help to reduce redness and swelling associated with acne. It also helps to kill bacteria and prevent infection. You can apply honey directly to your pimples and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. Or you can mix honey with a little water and apply it as a face mask. 2. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a natural antiseptic that can be effective in treating acne. It can help to reduce inflammation and kill bacteria. You can apply tea tree oil directly to your pimples using a cotton swab. You can also add a few drops of tea tree oil to a carrier oil, such as jojoba oil or coconut oil, and apply it to your face as a moisturizer. 3. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a natural anti-inflammatory agent that can help to soothe and heal acne-prone skin. It can also help to reduce redness and swelling. You can apply aloe vera gel directly to your pimples and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. You can also use a moisturizer containing aloe vera as part of your daily skincare routine. 4. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants that can help fight free radicals and reduce inflammation. This can be helpful in reducing the appearance of acne scars. You can apply green tea bags to your face for 10 to 15 minutes to help reduce inflammation and redness. You can also drink green tea regularly as part of a healthy diet. 5. Turmeric. Turmeric is a natural antiseptic and anti-inflammatory agent. Applying turmeric to the skin can help reduce redness and swelling associated with acne. It also helps to kill bacteria and prevent infection. You can apply turmeric paste directly to your pimples and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. You can also mix turmeric powder with a little water and apply it as a face mask. 6. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a natural astringent, which means it can help to tighten and tone the skin. This can be helpful in reducing the appearance of large pores, which are often a contributing factor to acne. You can apply apple cider vinegar to your face using a cotton ball or pad, or you can add it to a spray bottle and use it as a facial toner. 7. Witch hazel. Witch hazel is another natural astringent that can be helpful in reducing the appearance of acne scars. It can also help to soothe and heal broken or irritated skin. You can apply witch hazel to your face using a cotton ball or pad, or you can use it as a facial toner. 8. Lemon. Lemon juice is a natural astringent and antiseptic. Applying lemon juice to the skin can help reduce the appearance of blemishes and scars. It also helps to kill bacteria and prevent infection. You can apply lemon juice directly to your pimples and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. You can also use a moisturizer containing lemon juice as part of your daily skincare routine. 9. Papaya. Papaya contains enzymes that can help exfoliate the skin and unclog pores. This can be helpful in preventing and treating acne. You can apply papaya to your face as a mask or scrub, or you can eat papaya regularly as part of a healthy diet. 10. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water can help flush toxins out of the body and keep the skin clear and healthy. It can also help reduce the severity of acne. If you want to get rid of pimples or acne permanently, then you need to change your lifestyle. This means eating a healthy diet, getting regular exercise, and managing stress. You should also avoid smoking and excessive alcohol consumption. Thank you for watching. Please like and share for more videos.